Topic: Montana Code Annotated 16-3-301, 16-5-301, 16-6304, and 16-4-422. Number 1. 16-3-301. Unlawful purchases, transfers, sales, or deliveries, presumption of legal age. Number 2. 16-6-303. Sale of liquor not purchased from an agency liquor store is forbidden. Number 3. 45-5-623. Unlawful transactions with children. Number 4. Endangering welfare of children. Number 5. Legal sales of tobacco products. Number 6. Minimum age to sell or serve alcoholic beverages. And number 7. Legal hours of alcohol service. 16-3-301. Number 1. It is unlawful for a licensed retailer to purchase or acquire beer or wine from anyone except a brewery, winery, or wholesaler licensed under the provisions of this code. Number 2. It is unlawful for a licensed retailer to transport beer or wine from one licensed premise or other facility to any other licensed premises owned by the licensee. Number 3. It is unlawful for a licensed wholesaler to purchase beer or wine from anyone except a brewery, winery, or wholesaler licensed or registered under this code. Also, 16-6-303. Sale of liquor not purchased from agency liquor store is forbidden. Penalty: it is illegal for any licensee to sell or keep for sale or have on the licensee's premises for any purposes whatever any liquor except that is purchased from an agency liquor store, and any licensee found in possession of or selling and keeping for sale any liquor that was not purchased from an agency liquor store shall, upon conviction, be punished by a fine of not less than $500 or more than $1,500, by imprisonment for not less than 3 months or more than 1 year, or by both fine and imprisonment. If the department is satisfied that the liquor was knowingly sold or kept for sale within the licensed premises by the licensee or the licensee's agents, servants, or employees, the department shall immediately revoke the license. Number 4. It is unlawful for any licensee, a licensee's employee, or any other person to sell, deliver, or give away, or cause, or permit to be sold, delivered, or given away any alcoholic beverage to any person under 21 years of age, or any person actually, apparently, or obviously intoxicated. As 16-6-304 states, providing alcoholic beverages to intoxicated persons is prohibited. No store manager, retail licensee, or any employee of a store manager or retail licensee may sell any alcoholic beverage or permit any alcoholic beverage to be sold to any person apparently under the influence of an alcoholic beverage. No person may give an alcoholic beverage to a person apparently under the influence of alcohol. Number 5. Any person under 21 years of age or any other person who knowingly misrepresents the person's qualifications for the purpose of obtaining an alcoholic beverage from the licensee is equally guilty with the licensee and upon conviction is subject to the below penalties provided in 45-5-624. First offense: fine between $100 and $300, 20 hours of community service, driver's license confiscated for 30 days, pay for all costs for participation in a community-based substance abuse information course. Second offense: fine between $200 and $600, 40 hours of community service, driver's license confiscated for 6 months, pay for all costs for participation in a community-based substance abuse information course, and complete a chemical dependency assessment and treatment. Third offense: fine between $300 and $900, 60 hours of community service, driver's license confiscated for 6 months, pay for all costs for participation in a community-based substance abuse information course, and complete a chemical dependency assessment and treatment. Number 6. All licensees must display in a prominent place in their premises a placard issued by the department stating fully the consequences for violations of the provisions of this code by persons under 21 years of age. However, nothing in this section may be construed as authorizing or permitting the sale of an alcoholic beverage to any person in violation of any federal law. Number 7. For purposes of 45-5-623 and this title, the establishment of the following facts by a person making a sale of alcoholic beverages to a person under the legal age constitutes prima facie evidence, which is if they used a fake ID, made themselves look older than they are, etc., of innocence and a defense to a prosecution for sale of alcoholic beverages to a person under the legal age. A. The purchaser falsely represented and supported with documentary evidence that an ordinary and prudent person would accept that the purchaser was of legal age to purchase alcoholic beverages. B. The appearance of the purchaser was such that an ordinary and prudent person would believe the purchaser to be of legal age to purchase alcoholic beverages. And C. The sale was made in good faith and in reasonable reliance upon the representation and appearance of the purchaser that the purchaser was of legal age to purchase alcoholic beverages. 45-5-623. Unlawful transactions with children. Except as provided for in 16-6-305, a person commits the offense of unlawful transactions with children if the person knowingly A. sells or gives intoxicating substances other than alcoholic beverages to a child under the age of majority, B. sells or gives an alcoholic beverage to a person under 21 years of age. Endangering welfare of children. A parent or guardian who is 18 years of age or older, whether or not that they are the parent or guardian or any other person supervising the welfare of the child, commits the offense of endangering the child if they knowingly give or allow or encourage a person under the age of 18 to consume an intoxicating beverage. 45-5-622. In order to buy, possess, or use tobacco products, the person must be a minimum of 21 years of age. It is against the law for someone to knowingly sell, give, or encourage persons under the age of 21 to use tobacco products. Minimum age to sell or serve alcoholic beverages. To serve or bartend on an on-premise licensed location, all employees involved in the alcohol transactions must be a minimum of 18 years of age. Employees who work at an on-premise establishment cannot buy an alcoholic beverage for a customer or consume alcohol themselves.